Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. We are here in beautiful Kennesaw, Georgia with our friend Miguel. Now, okay, let me tell you a little story behind this car. Now, first of all, to the owner, this car is not going to be called Miguel while it is in my presence. I'm going to have to figure out a female name because this color and Miguel does not go together. But I was actually going to buy this car, but the owner is so infatuated and loves this car so much. I gave him the option that I could just fix it for him on a super duper low budget. The first thing it's going to have is it is stuck in second gear. I want to say second or third gear. It is not the linkage, because when you put it, the shifter moves, but when you put it in any gear, it basically locks up the transmission. So probably going to have to put a transmission in it. The motor seems to be fine. You know, this paint job, I don't know. I like it.
Gay!
So of course, doing the transmission, I'm gonna do the clutch. It has the big old dildo shifter. I really like these door cars though. It's
Pretty cool! Pretty damn cool! Woo!
And the, what is it, Avenue steering wheel. Now here's where the problem is, because I'm gonna do what I can to get this rear end fixed also. And you can see, yeah, it's been pounded. It's been pounded, guys. But it looks like the frame is actually good. It didn't mess up the exhaust system or anything like this. The only problem I don't like is molding the body kit, you know, side skirts or body rear bumper, front bumper to the actual car. So I'm gonna see what I can do about this and get it straight, get it okay for them, and make it drivable again, because you know, you can, once it's driving and once it's looking relatively decent, you know, little by little you can get it back the way you want. But yeah, I'm gonna get it up on the beast. I'm gonna take it back, and probably not gonna work on it today, but next few days probably put a transmission. I've already found a transmission, so I'm gonna get the transmission in and then start working on the body. I gotta get a trunk lid, and then the rear tail lights, the rear bumper, all that good stuff. So guys, stay tuned. This is gonna be fun. We'll see what the before and after looks like, but let me get this thing loaded up and get out of here.
1 hour later.
All right, it is all loaded up. Now, I had a problem getting it on the trailer, and Miguel was being a problem getting the bumper inside, but I told him, I said, you don't start no shit, won't be no shit. So I got it in there. Let's get it back to the lot, and you guys can catch up on the next video. I'll talk to you later.